research in Ferrari never stops. Next limited edition special series car will be hybrid. We are proud to present the world premiere of its Formula One composite chassis that you can see close to our Formula One, because the technology transfer from Formula One to this chassis is crucial. This car and chassis will be entirely made in-house at Maranello using our Formula One technology and know-how. We think that this car will represent a big step forward in terms of design, in terms of technology, the first hybrid car, and of course in terms of extreme performance and drivability. Then, here in Paris, we introduce the FF with the new full-length panoramic roof in a special glass, adding another unique feature to our revolutionary four-seater, four-wheel drive car with 660 horsepower. And this is a big success that is a car completely new in our range of products.